What's going on, Pixel Hackers? Christian Lovrecich from PixlFeed here, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to Daypart your Facebook ads so you don't waste your money when you don't need to. But before we get started, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe to the channel, and let's dive right in. So what is Dayparting? Dayparting is basically splitting throughout the day when your ads are running and when they're not. So that's what Dayparting is. And the reason why we do this is because if you notice a pattern where people buy throughout the day more than others, basically you're getting more purchases than ad spend, what you want to do is Daypart your ads so they only run during those hours when you're getting all those sales, because there's no point in wasting ad spend when you're not getting sales. So I'm going to show you how to do that. So this is just one of my accounts right here. And the way to do that is you go right here to your account overview, and you're gonna go down here. I showed this before, and you're gonna change this to purchases if you're doing, website purchases, or if you're doing leads, if you're doing whatever your goal is, you pull it up right here. And right away, you can see that there's certain times of the day where I get more sales than others. So check this out. So obviously overnight, this is a US account, so obviously most people are sleeping. Right, so from 12 a.m. to about 5, 6 a.m., it's dead. We're spending more. See, this is spent. We're spending more money that we're making. Okay, so what I would do here is I will create an ad set and I will Daypart it so it only runs from 7 a.m. Actually, I will do it from 6:30 a.m. to give it that momentum so it starts going, and I will let it run all the way down to right here till 12 p.m. Okay? Yeah, till 12 p.m., right? And then I will turn it back on right here. Actually, you know what? I wouldn't even kill it right here. I will let it run all the way till 6 p.m. So from 6 p.m. and on, I'm going to kill it. Okay, so let me write this down because I'm going to show you guys how to do it on your ad set. Okay, so 6 p.m. to 6:30 a.m. Okay, so what we will do is go into an account, and I'm just using one of my blank accounts because it's easier. I don't want to confuse you with all the campaigns and all that stuff. And we're going to hit create, and we're going to select create new campaign. Not sure why I did that. Daypart. I'm going to call it something. We'll leave it at traffic since it's nothing. This is fake. So I got to give it a name here, save to draft. And we're going to go to our ad set level. So we'll go to our ad set level. And guys, I'm running through this because I'm just going to show you this. So when you get right here to the budget and schedule, all right, you got to click show more options, but keep one thing in mind. Facebook is not going to allow you to Daypart, all right, unless you use lifetime budget. What is lifetime budget? Lifetime budget is where you set a schedule for the campaign. So let's say you only want to run it for a month, right? So you set the schedule from June 15th to July 15th. And that's 1 month, all right? So you will set your times right here, right? I like to do midnight always. I want you guys to get in the habit of midnight always. That way your campaigns pace out evenly throughout the day. Don't ever start a campaign in the middle of the day. All right, so you can stop it at 11:59 p.m. right here, and then we'll set our budget to whatever we want. So let's say 2,500. Okay, now you're gonna be able to go in here, right? And you're going to click run ads on a schedule. All right, so you click that, and it shows you this table here where you can schedule your ad, and it will show you schedule hours, right? Very important right here. Users, viewers, time zone, or use this ad account time zone. All right, the account that I just showed you, we're looking at the data from our ad account. Okay. So make sure you use the ad account's time zone, okay? So what you're gonna do is, what was 6 p.m. to 6:30? So I don't wanna run them through 6 p.m., from 6 p.m. in the afternoon to 6 from 6 p.m. to 6:30 a.m., right? So what I will do is I will click here because we want to do 6:30 a.m. So 7, right? And we're going to choose the blocks that we want the ad to run on. So I'm going to run them all day long, all the way up to 6:30 every day. And you can actually look at your data and you can break it down by days. For this example, I'm going to do every day right here. So I should have done that from the get-go. So let's just do it right here. So you just choose, you fill that in. And now your ads are only going to run during this time of the day. And then you go through the rest of your ad set, you set up your targeting, your placements, your clicks, all that stuff, and you hit publish. As simple as that. Now, I know some of you are going to ask, well, is it good to stop and start your ads all the time? Believe it or not, Facebook has said that you can actually stop your ads and restart them. And that's why we use rules, because the optimization, it's in the ad set for 7 days. So as long as those ads start and stop in that 7-day time frame, you're not going to lose optimization. Facebook actually tracks all of that and it keeps the optimization in the ad set. So do not be afraid to daypart your ads. I do it all the time. This is how you save your money and spend it when the purchases are coming in, especially if you're only selling in one country. If you're selling all over the world, then it's most likely you're not going to do this because of all the different time zones. But if you're selling in one country and you see those up and downs throughout the day, I highly recommend you daypart everything. Guys, if you like that video, make sure to click the links in the description below. Support the channel, help me out, and click one of the boxes right above me to keep learning, keep moving on, and taking yourself to the next level. See you in the next video.